Welcome to my channel, Supermathematics Online Math. In this video, we want to find the shaded area. Now we have a smaller circle, the inner circle, and there is the bigger circle, the outer circle. The shaded area is in between the two circles. So first, we can let the outer radius be R. That's big R. And this outer radius is from the center to the circumference. That is the sum of 5 centimeters and 8 centimeters. So the outer radius is 13 centimeters. Similarly, we let the inner radius, the radius of the inner circle, be lowercase r. This is obviously 8 centimeters. And generally, the area of a circle is pi times the square of the radius. Therefore, the area of the outer circle is pi times the uppercase R to the second power, while the area of the inner circle is pi times the square of its own radius, the lowercase r. So the shaded area is the difference in their area. That is, the shaded area is pi times the big R squared minus pi times the small r squared. Then we can factor pi from here. When pi is factored, we have big R squared minus small r squared. We can still further factor the difference of two squares in the parentheses. Generally, when we have the difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, this factors as the difference of a and b multiplying the sum of a and b. Therefore, the shaded area becomes pi times the difference in the radii times the sum of the radii. Then the values can be substituted. This is pi times 13 centimeters minus 8 centimeters, earlier obtained. Then 13 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. This becomes the product of pi and 5 centimeters for the difference and 21 centimeters for the sum, which is 105 pi centimeters squared as the area of the shaded portion. I believe you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please let me know in the comment section. You can also send in your questions and suggestions to the comment section or to the email of this channel attached to the description of this video. In the meantime, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you get updates from time to time from my channel. Like this video, help us grow by sharing it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.